This week I have a giveaway from Knitter's Pride for 3 SmartStix needle sets. These are interchangeable deluxe needle sets. And if you have not seen SmartStix before, I think the feature that most people remember about SmartStix is that there are inches marked out on the needles and the cords. So you kind of always have a ruler with you. It's very nice. It's easy, makes it easy to measure swatches or see how many inches you've knit when you've been trying to get to a goal or track your progress. These are also just great all-purpose needles with the inches aside, the markings aside. They have a long taper and a nice kind of medium sharp tip. They're good for just about everything. They're very, very lightweight. And the set itself comes with US size 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.5, and 11, which is metric sizes 3.5 up to 8.0. You also get the cords and the stoppers and everything else you need for the interchangeable set to work. This is my own personal set. I've really enjoyed using these needles, and it looks like a fancy clutch. If you look at that side, we have a nice window into the needles on the other side. And also with Knitter's Pride cases, their case game is pretty great. You have a pocket for the cords and the end stoppers and everything else. Everything stays very tidy on the shelf. Boom, all your needles are right here. So I have 3 of these to give away. So you can click the little eye in the upper right-hand corner to be whisked away to my website where you can sign up. There's a sign-up form there, or in the video description field below. This giveaway is open internationally. I will announce the winner next week in video. Good luck.